there's Rona, folks. It's never good when you got the hood up. So what's going on with her? Got a lot of parts laying around. It's not as bad as it looks. We've had a problem. It's been going for a couple of years now. Had at least one cylinder head leaking coolant. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can tell there, but running down the side of the block. And I just kind of been putting it off. It was an external leak. It wasn't getting in the oil or anything, so I wasn't super worried about it. But just decided now is the time to get it fixed. Really slow right now, the trucks are, but in April, starting in April, we're going to get super busy. I already got a lot of grain to haul, and I think the summer is just going to be pretty constant running. I was afraid it was just going to only get worse, so now's the time to do it. What all are we going to do? Well, pretty much from the radiator back. I mean, we're not going to do an overhaul, but doing all the heads, any hoses, rubber hoses, they're all getting replaced. Water pump. So as far as reliability factor, it should be really good when we're done. New fan hub, replacing that. We actually had a problem with it. The old one froze up on me last year. I've been running it all winter with no fan hub or anything on it. That's kind of another reason I decided to go ahead and have the heads done now. I was getting ready to put the fan hub back on, and I was like, I already got this part done. You might just well do the heads. So kind of help motivate my getting this project done. Here's all new hoses for restriction gauge, for the turbo pressure gauge. It's the resistance, high resistance hydraulic line. Here's a hose for water hoses here to replace these. These are all cracked and just, I didn't trust them. Radiator hoses, it's all going to be new. Using silicone hoses, like say the wear resistant. Hydraulic lines, is that overkill? Yeah, probably. But I guess I figure what kind of a price do you put on reliability? There should never be an issue with these hoses again, or for many years anyway. So that's where she's at. I don't believe there's any broken head bolts. That was kind of a problem with these big cams. They would break head bolts. So hopefully that's the case. I don't want to be buying a bunch of them. Not sure when he's going to have it done. It's just a one-man shop. And he had a project go sideways on him, so kind of running a little bit behind. But anybody that's done any wrenching knows how that goes. It just, one thing goes bad and then just kind of snowballs. So I'm sure he'll hopefully this week get her knocked out. And we'll get her back on the road. But anyway, just wanted to let everybody know what was up with Rona. That is the problem with it right now. And like I say, we could have kept running it. I mean, it wasn't blowing compression or anything. It was just a coolant leak, but I'd pushed my luck far enough, and figured now was a good a time as any to get it taken care of. So hopefully here in another week or so, we will be back running her up and down the road and getting some more content for you. So till next time, this is TJ, Farm Boy Transport. We're clear and gone.